Remember the blade wars, where every shaving company added a blade to its razors until it was fully ridiculous? Wisely, we seem to have leveled off when it comes to blades, but the newest innovation is heat. Gillette is now making a heated razor, and if you thought razors were expensive up to now, you ain't seen nothing yet. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I'm going to tell you what supposedly makes this razor so great, what it can do, how it feels, and whether it might be a nice, if splurgy, investment. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
So what have we got here? As the name hints, this is a standard razor with the addition of heat, and yes, it's waterproof for sink or shower use. A hidden heating bar heats the blade cartridge to bring a warming sensation to your shave, a feeling Gillette says is like the pleasure of a hot towel shave in every stroke.
While this product is clearly geared at the guys, it's also something us ladies might enjoy, so I am here to share my experience.
There's not much in the way of setup. The heated razor starter kit by Gillette comes with a charging base and cable, the razor itself, and an extra blade cartridge. Plug it in and set the razor on the magnetic base where it'll stand on its own. That's kind of cool. Then let it charge up.
In case you're wondering, no, you can't use a regular razor in this setup. It's not like the base just heats up the whole razor. This is a special razor with what they call a stainless steel warming bar built right in. Now let's talk about that warming bar. It heats up in less than a second, and it really does feel warm quite fast. As soon as you push the power button, it warms up, which you can see, and I will turn it off here and then on again by the pulsing orange light. When it goes solid, it's ready for you to use. Now, if you're worried you'll be placing searing heated metal against your mug, Gillette says the heat is adjustable, that 4 intelligent heat sensors conveniently maintain even warmth at your chosen temperature through every shaving stroke, while the built-in safety features ensure an even and safe level of heat.
To me, the blades felt only slightly warm against my legs, even on high heat. Conversely, the razor felt searingly hot when I placed it against the back of my hand on high heat. I gave it to my husband to test, and he said he found it uncomfortably warm when it was pressed against his face.
You can choose 2 levels of heat. The lower one is 109 Fahrenheit or 43 Celsius, and the higher one is 122 Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. Long pressing on the power button changes the heat level, and you can tell the difference by the shade of the light. Orangey red is warmer, yellowy orange is cooler. I will say that when holding the razor against my skin for testing, it is noticeably cooler on the cool setting. Which one will bring you the most joy while the blade is in motion is something you'll need to try out for yourself. The razor blades are 5-bladed, and that's for what Gillette says is incredible comfort. The razor also uses Gillette's Flex Disc technology, which allows the head more range of motion against your face or your legs, and that also helps to maintain skin contact in order to give you a smooth shave, yes, but also to maximize the heat delivery.
Or so they say, but I didn't really feel the heat a lot because I was constantly moving the razor, as you do when you shave. So while in motion, you lose some of that effect, but if you hold it still, it's too warm, and you don't really hold it still to get the effect of the razor cutting the hair. When all was said and done, I was kind of underwhelmed by the overall effect. I asked my husband if he wanted the razor, and he said, no thanks.
While your razor can live on the counter and plugged in if you like, if you want to take it on the road, the battery will give you up to 6 shaves from a single charge, depending on how long your shaves take, of course. It'll also still work as a razor sans heat if the battery does die.
I tested out the battery by turning the razor on and leaving it on until it basically shut off. I did this about 7 or 8 times, and the battery was still going, so that bodes well for overall battery life.
Overall, this razor is a really nice idea, in theory, but it is one that comes with a hefty price tag. While the warming is definitely noticeable when you're holding it still, that's not how you shave, and the active warming sensation is less noticeable the quicker you do shave. Now, with that said, this does eliminate you having to put a cold razor against your face first thing in the morning, but you could get the same effect by running your razor under hot water. It would also save you a boatload of cash, since the Gillette heated razor here sells for a whopping $200 US, and blades cost about $25 for a 4-cartridge pack. While I generally love me some technology, this device just feels like a solution looking for a problem that no one asked Gillette to solve. As of the taping of this video, it also doesn't seem to be available in Canada just yet. If you want to read more, head over to techgadgetscanada.com, where I've posted a full blog about it. You can ask me any questions you have about this razor, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. I'm Erin. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give me a sub, since it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Thanks so much for watching. You can catch me on Twitter or Instagram. Until the next time, I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.